Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, X on your machine and VS Code installed. Once done, make sure the Python extension is enabled. It provides IntelliSense, linting, and the debugger. Next, create or open a project folder in VS Code and add a simple file like main. Py. You do this now because it establishes the workspace and interpreter context. Then select the interpreter from the status bar. This links VS Code to the exact Python you will run. Once the interpreter is set, you can configure an isolated environment, create a virtualenv, and install dependencies. You do this to avoid version conflicts. Use the Run Python file play button for quick execution, or open the integrated terminal and run Python main. Py. If you need breakpoints, press F5 to create launch. JSON. Configure args, environment variables, and console type. This tells VS Code how to launch and debug your script reliably for development and testing. You finish by validating outputs and packaging steps, run tests, freeze requirements, and commit code. If something goes wrong, first confirm the selected interpreter matches the environment you expect and that the integrated terminal uses the same shell. Make sure breakpoints are active and linting errors are addressed. One key troubleshooting tip: if imports fail, reinstall packages into the active interpreter using pip install in the integrated terminal. This resolves most environment mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.